Welcome to another episode of Cook and Bake. This is my chef Joanna, or as we like to call her, Chef Jojo. Say hello to the camera.
Hello.
And I am Chef Jessie. We are now going to make a 4th of July cake. Not just any cake, 4th of July.
For our sister, Lacey.
Yeah. Let's get started. You can use any white cake mix or any preferred cake mix flavor, like chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. We just went with the white because it's the simplest and it tastes better with the fruits that we're going to be eating. First, we're going to need 3 large egg whites only the whites.
White egg. If you have sleeves on, you could just roll them.
Good tip there.
You got cake batter.
Go ahead and fall in there, little white. Start mixing them up. Whee!
Here we got the mix.
Way to show them, Joe. Next, what we need is 1 cup of water. Luckily, I have these measuring cups. Next, we need 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. This is what we got right here, some vegetable oil. Just get any vegetable oil from the store. And we need the 1/4 cup. Here it is. Oops. I'm back.
It's because it's unlocked.
No wonder. There we go. That's good. Now, Joe, it's your time to stir.
It smells really good. Oh, smell! We're actually
Oh, it
sisters.
smells amazing. Yep, we're sisters.
And our cousin Lacey, we're sisters.
No,
Because my dad is sisters with her mother. Is brothers, sisters with her mother.
Ooh,
No,
nice
I had
smell.
it like this, and it kind of tasted good. It tasted ready.
For this specific cake, like most cakes, you're going to preheat your oven at 350. This is our
And
oven.
brownies, I think.
You just turn. Oh wait, make sure there's no pans in there. Oh, and there's pans in there. Good thing I didn't start it.
Try to make one of these, and they'll taste delicious.
Extra scrumptious.
Make sure your babies don't make that.
Because if they do, good luck, Charlie. What the?
Good fortune, Toby.
Okay, now we're gonna put the cake in the oven. Here's the cake. Sliding it in there. We're gonna wait. And Dad's gonna put some chips in. Just kidding. Okay? Now we gotta wait.
That's our dad ridiculousness. And look what our dad did. He put a soy sauce chip.
Now we're just gonna wait for the cake to come out in about 25 to 28 minutes. So see you then. The cake's done. So we're gonna pull it out, and boy does it look yummy. So hard. I can do it, I can do it.
And that's my sister for pizza.
What? I love that one. Okay, we can't do this. We need something else. Okay, I'm gonna try this way. I did it! Ta-da! It's all done. Let's take a good look at this cookie. Whee! I mean, bake cake. Doesn't that look good? No, don't even think about it. Hey! Don't you think about got it.
Okay, this is our cake, and we'll get back to you on the decorating.
We're back, and now it's time to decorate this cake. Get your butter knife. Nice.
Nice. Don't forget about Old Man Jenkins.
What about Old Man Jenkins?
I don't even know who he is.
Are you ready for the reveal, Jojo? Drum roll, please. Wow, that is awesome, huh? Doesn't that look appetizing? We cut out this part because she wanted to make cake pops. So let's see how those are going. Let's see this. She's doing it all by herself. Wow. That looks pretty good. It's like a baby cake. Strawberry.
They could be large, medium, or small, or
Nice.
big.
That's pretty good.
Thanks for watching Cook and Bake.
Tune in next time.